How Tashu eats khichdi? It's very very tasty. It's very very tasty. Tashi say danchi danchi and danchi danchi and danchi danchi. Tashi eating khichdi. Tashi eating khichdi. Mmm. Very very tasty. Aha! Very very tasty. Tashi, open your mouth. Tashi, open your mouth. Tashi, where is your head? Where is your head? Head, eyes, nose, lips, teeth, ears, hands. Good boy. Show me your tongue. Oh, you're a good boy. Tashu, say uncle. Tashu says good boy. Says mithai. Okay, okay. बोलो dahi. Tashi बोलो dahi. Tashi, what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Itash? What's your name? Itash. Your name is Itash? Okay. How you give flying kissy? Aha, my boy. Tashu खाना खाता है. हाँ. Okay. How Tashu say bye bye to plane? Bye bye. Okay. How Tashu says twinkle twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky.